Question 1. Engineering mechanics is the branch of science that deals with. The correct answer is forces and their effects on bodies at rest or in motion. Question 2. Which of the following is a scalar quantity? The correct answer is mass. Question 3. Which of the following is a vector quantity? The correct answer is momentum. Question 4. The unit of force in the SI system is. The correct answer is newtons. Question 5. 1 newton is equivalent to. The correct answer is 1 kilograms m divided by s to the power of 2. Question 6. The effect of a force on a body depends on. The correct answer is magnitude, direction, and point of application. Question 7. The principle of transmissibility of forces states that. The correct answer is the point of application of a force can be moved along its line of action without changing the effect. Question 8. A system of forces acting in the same plane is called. The correct answer is coplanar forces. Question 9. Forces meeting at a single point are called. The correct answer is concurrent forces. Question 10. The resultant of two forces P and Q acting at an angle theta is given by. The correct answer is square root of P to the power of 2 plus Q to the power of 2 plus 2 PQ cos theta. Question 11. If two equal forces P act at 90 degrees rest to each other, the resultant is. The correct answer is P square root of 2. Question 12. The angle alpha which the resultant makes with force P is given by tan alpha equals. The correct answer is Q sin theta divided by P plus Q cos theta. Question 13. Triangle law of forces states that if two forces are represented by two sides of a triangle in order, their resultant is. The correct answer is the third side taken in opposite order. Question 14. Polygon law of forces is used to find the resultant of. The correct answer is more than two coplanar concurrent forces. Question 15. Resolution of a force F into horizontal Fx and vertical Fy components angle theta with horizontal is. The correct answer is Fx equals F cos theta, Fy equals F sin theta. Question 16. The moment of a force about a point is. The correct answer is force times perpendicular distance from the point. Question 17. Varignon's theorem of moments states that. The correct answer is moment of resultant equals sum of moments of individual forces. Question 18. A couple consists of. The correct answer is two equal and opposite parallel forces separated by a distance. Question 19. The moment of a couple is. The correct answer is force times arm of the couple distance between forces. Question 20. The effect of a couple can be balanced by. The correct answer is another couple of equal moment in opposite direction. Question 21. Conditions of equilibrium for a system of coplanar concurrent forces are. The correct answer is sum of Fx equals 0 and sum of Fy equals 0. Question 22. Conditions of equilibrium for a system of coplanar non-concurrent forces are. The correct answer is sum of Fx equals 0, sum of Fy equals 0, and sum of m equals 0. Question 23. Lamy's theorem is applicable for. The correct answer is three coplanar concurrent forces in equilibrium. Question 24. According to Lamy's theorem, each force is proportional to. The correct answer is sine of the angle between the other two forces. Question 25. Free body diagram FBD represents. The correct answer is Isolated body with all active and reactive forces acting on it. Question 26. A roller support offers. The correct answer is 1 reaction perpendicular to surface. Question 27. A hinged pinned support offers. The correct answer is 2 reactions vertical and horizontal. Question 28. A fixed built-in support offers. The correct answer is 3 reactions vertical, horizontal, and moment. Question 29. A beam supported at its 2 ends is called. The correct answer is simply supported beam. Question 30. A beam fixed at one end and free at the other is called. The correct answer is cantilever beam. Question 31. Friction is a force that acts. The correct answer is tangential to contact surface, opposing motion. Question 32. Static friction is. The correct answer is the friction acting when body is at rest or just tending to move. Question 33. Limiting friction is. The correct answer is the maximum value of static friction. Question 34. Coefficient of friction mu is the ratio of. The correct answer is limiting friction F to normal reaction R. Question 35. Angle of friction phi is the angle between. The correct answer is resultant of normal reaction and limiting friction, and the normal reaction. Question 36. The relationship between coefficient of friction mu and angle of friction phi is. The correct answer is mu equals tan phi. Question 37. Angle of repose alpha is equal to. The correct answer is angle of friction phi. Question 38. Dynamic kinetic friction is generally. The correct answer is less than limiting static friction. Question 39. Rolling friction is usually. The correct answer is less than sliding friction. Question 40. For a body resting on a rough inclined plane to move down due to its own weight, the angle of inclination must be. The correct answer is greater than angle of repose. Question 41. Centroid refers to the center of. The correct answer is plane area. Question 42. Center of gravity CG refers to the point where. The correct answer is the entire weight of the body acts. Question 43. The centroid of a rectangle lies at. The correct answer is intersection of diagonals B divided by 2, D divided by 2. Question 44. The centroid of a triangle height h from the base is at. The correct answer is h divided by 3. Question 45. The centroid of a semicircle of radians use r from the diameter base is. The correct answer is 4r divided by 3 pi. Question 46. The centroid of a quarter circle of radians use r from the radians use edge is. The correct answer is 4r divided by 3 pi. Question 47. The center of gravity of a solid hemisphere of radians use r from the base is. The correct answer is 3r divided by 8. Question 48. The center of gravity of a solid cone of height h from the base is. The correct answer is h divided by 4. Question 49. If a body has an axis of psi millimeters etri, the centroid lies on. The correct answer is the axis of psi millimeters etri. Question 50. Pappas-Gulden's theorem 1 relates the area of a surface of revolution to. The correct answer is length of generating curve times distance traveled by its centroid. Question 51. Moment of inertia I is also known as. The correct answer is second moment of area. Question 52. The unit of moment of inertia of area is. The correct answer is millimeters to the power of 4 or m to the power of 4. Question 53. Parallel axis theorem states. The correct answer is I underscore AB equals I underscore G plus A to the power of 2. Question 54. Perpendicular axis theorem is equals X plus IY is applicable to. The correct answer is plane laminas only. Question 55. Moment of inertia of a rectangular section BXD about centroidal axis parallel to width B is. The correct answer is BD to the power of 3 divided by 12. Question 56. Moment of inertia of a rectangular section BXD about its base is. The correct answer is BD to the power of 3 divided by 3. Question 57. Moment of inertia of a circular section of diameter D is. The correct answer is pi d to the power of 4 divided by 64. Question 58. Moment of inertia of a triangle base B, height h about its base is. The correct answer is bh to the power of 3 divided by 12. Question 59. Moment of inertia of a triangle base B, height h about its centroidal axis parallel to base is. The correct answer is bh to the power of 3 divided by 36. Question 60. Radius of gyration k is related to moment of inertia I and area A by. The correct answer is k equals square root of I divided by A. Question 61. A simple machine is a device that. The correct answer is transmits force and does work. Question 62. Mechanical advantage MA is the ratio of. The correct answer is load lifted W to effort applied P. Question 63. Velocity ratio VR is the ratio of. The correct answer is distance moved by effort Y to distance moved by load X. Question 64. Efficiency eta of a machine is. The correct answer is MA divided by VR 100. Question 65. In an ideal machine, the correct answer is efficiency equals 100% and MA equals VR. Question 66. A reversible machine is one which. The correct answer is can run in reverse direction when effort is removed. Question 67. Condition for a machine to be reversible is. The correct answer is efficiency greater than 50%. Question 68. A self-locking machine is one which. The correct answer is does not reverse when effort is removed, efficiency less than 50%. Question 69. Law of machine is expressed as P equals effort, W equals load, M equals slope, C equals friction. The correct answer is P equals MW plus C. Question 70. In a system of pulleys, if there are n pulleys in the first system, the VR is. The correct answer is 2 to the power of n. Question 71. In the second system of pulleys block and tackle within segments of rope supporting the load, VR is. The correct answer is n. Question 72. In the third system of pulleys within pulleys, VR is. The correct answer is 2 to the power of n1. Question 73. Velocity ratio of a wheel and axle D equals dia of wheel, D equals dia of axle is. The correct answer is D divided by D. Question 74. Velocity ratio of a simple screw jack L equals handle length, P equals pitch is. The correct answer is 2 pi L divided by P. Question 75. Maximum mechanical advantage of a machine is. The correct answer is 1 divided by M. Question 76. Maximum efficiency of a machine is. The correct answer is 1 divided by M asterisk VR. Question 77. A framed structure is perfect if number of members M and joints J relates as. The correct answer is M equals 2J3. Question 78. A truss is deficient unstable if. The correct answer is M less than 2J3. Question 79. A truss is redundant indeterminate if. The correct answer is M greater than 2J3. Question 80. In method of joints, equilibrium conditions used are. The correct answer is sum of fx equals 0 and sum of fy equals 0. Question 81. In method of sections, equilibrium conditions used are. The correct answer is sum of fx equals 0, sum of fy equals 0, and sum of m equals 0. Question 82. D'Alembert's principle is used to. The correct answer is reduce a dynamic problem to an equivalent static problem. Question 83. The inertia force in D'Alembert's principle acts. The correct answer is opposite to the direction of acceleration. Question 84. Newton's second law of motion gives. The correct answer is force equals mass times acceleration. Question 85. Impulse is defined as. The correct answer is change in momentum force times time. Question 86. Work is defined as. The correct answer is force times distance moved in direction of force. Question 87. Power is defined as. The correct answer is rate of doing work divided by time. Question 88. 1 horsepower metric is equal to. The correct answer is 735.5 watts. Question 89. Law of conservation of momentum applies when. The correct answer is no external force acts on the system. Question 90. Coefficient of restitution E for a perfectly elastic collision is. The correct answer is 1. Question 91. Coefficient of restitution E for a perfectly plastic inelastic collision is. The correct answer is 0. Question 92. Ideally, the efficiency of a single fixed pulley is. The correct answer is 100% VR equals 1, MA equals 1. Question 93. A cantilever truss is a truss. The correct answer is supported at one end only. Question 94. The force in a member of a truss is. The correct answer is tensile or compressive axial. Question 95. Wedge friction is used in. The correct answer is lifting heavy loads. Question 96. A ladder resting on rough floor and smooth wall will slip when. The correct answer is friction at floor is insufficient. Question 97. Virtual work principle states that for a system in equilibrium, the correct answer is total virtual work done by active forces is 0. Question 98. Radius of gyration K for a circle of diameter d is. The correct answer is d divided by 4. Question 99. In a differential axle and wheel, the VR is. The correct answer is 2d divided by d1 d2. Question 100. The mechanical advantage of a machine is 4 and VR is 5. Its efficiency is. The correct answer is 80%.